What will happen when aliens threaten the world? Once upon a time, in a world much like our own, humanity faced an unprecedented challenge, a looming alien threat that instilled fear and uncertainty among the people. Panic and chaos spread like wildfire, but in the face of adversity, a diverse group of individuals emerged, connected by one powerful force, faith. In the small town of Clearwater, Pastor John stood as a beacon of hope. His unwavering faith in God's protection gave strength to his congregation, inspiring them to face the unknown with courage. Through his sermons, he reminded them of the power of prayer and the importance of unity in times of crisis. As news of the alien threat reached the bustling city of Metropolis, scientist Dr. Sarah Thompson refused to succumb to fear. Instead, she put her faith in the power of human ingenuity and collaboration. Driven by her unwavering belief in humanity's potential, she tirelessly worked to find a peaceful resolution to the crisis. In a suburban neighborhood, a young mother named Emily found solace in her faith. With 2 young children to protect, she refused to let fear dictate her actions. Emily taught her children the values of love and acceptance, believing that kindness and understanding could unite humanity even in the face of an extraterrestrial threat. As the aliens drew closer, humanity's response was a testament to the power of faith and unity. People from all walks of life set aside their differences and joined forces. Communities organized prayer circles, seeking solace and guidance from a higher power. Scientists and researchers collaborated, pooling their knowledge and resources to find a peaceful resolution. With every passing day, acts of kindness and selflessness multiplied. The power of faith and unity wove a tapestry of hope across the globe. Inspired by faith, humanity initiated open and honest communication with the aliens, discovering that both sides longed for peace and understanding. Slowly but surely, trust was built, bridges were formed, and humanity and the aliens found common ground. The threat that once seemed insurmountable transformed into an opportunity for growth and connection. The power of faith and humanity's unwavering belief in goodness prevailed. The story of faith and humanity's response to the alien threat became a symbol of hope for generations to come. It served as a reminder that when faced with adversity, faith empowers us to overcome our fears and find common ground with others. Even in the face of the unknown, the power of faith and the strength of humanity's unity can triumph over any challenge. As the world moved forward, it carried the lessons learned from that extraordinary time, a testament to the enduring power of faith and the indomitable spirit of humanity. Let this story be a reminder that when we stand united, there is no challenge we cannot overcome. Embrace faith, compassion, and unity, knowing that together we can create a brighter future for all. Remember, when we come together with faith, humanity can overcome any threat and build a world filled with love and understanding. Believe in the power of unity and compassion, and carry this message in your heart as you face the challenges of your own life. May this story inspire you to believe in the power of faith and hope, and may you share its message of unity and compassion with others. Together, let us create a world where faith and humanity's response to any threat can lead us to a future filled with peace and understanding.